So when you think about the separation of the knees, the external rotation, this is a little bit more like Bujapidasana, or when we take the Titibasana positions, we have a little turn out, and again, forward. See if we can send the hip back, hip down, roll, sit, come forward, hip moves back, roll through the hip, and down, the forward point, then backing up, roll, bring it down. Let's do one last one. Forward, hip backing up, sit, hands in prayer. Stay there for a moment. So drop the hip back and let's explore different variations of Malasana. If you squeeze the knees onto the shoulders, we activate the quadriceps. You can see that activation. So we'll stay for 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, if we separate the knees and bend forward, then you can feel the stretch in the inner thighs. We'll stay for 2, 3, 4, 5. If you drop the hands down and pivot forward, then we can feel a little more release in the back. 5 more breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, we come up. If we take hands in prayer and we lift the chest, then we can find a little more strength. So we can activate and come a little higher for 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we stay down, then we can use Malasana to open the inner thigh. Right hand to the right knee. Drop the left shoulder down and stay for 2, 3, 4, 5. And back to the center. Lift. Drop the right shoulder down. Left hand to the left knee. Press. 2, 3, 4, 5. And back to the center. Explore Malasana again. Stay. 1. Find your version. Which one do you like? I like this one. This is the one that makes me happy. A little forward and down, and the hips moving out to the side, and the elbows sliding to the ground. Stay for 2, 3, 4. We're going to have a fun exit from this. Are you ready? 5. Exhale, sit down, and then bring your feet together into the diamond pose. Exhale, drop the head down. We'll stay here for a little while.